Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the block number and gathering essentials, the exact digits, the device model, and your carrier account info. Once done, check your phone's blocked or spam list and do not disturb settings so you don't waste steps. Make sure any third-party calling apps aren't intercepting calls. Restart the device to clear temporary glitches because a fresh reboot often resolves transient issues and lets you continue with removal steps confidently. You now remove the block from each place it might live, the system call block list, messaging apps, and any third-party dialer. Tap settings right arrow phone or calls, right arrow blocked contacts and delete the number, then open each messaging app and remove blocks there too. If the carrier placed a network level block, sign into your carrier account or call support to request removal. Once you've cleared all lists, reset network settings if calls still fail, so changes take effect across services. You finish by verifying success with a test call and asking the contact to call you back. This confirms both directions work. Make sure the other person hasn't blocked you by having them check their lists. If problems persist, update your OS, clear the calling app cache, and reset network settings. Then contact your carrier with account details so they can inspect network-level filters. One key tip: if voice still fails, try a different SIM or Wi-Fi calling to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.